Hello class. In this video, I'll show you how to create a trash can in Maya with a poke tool and quick selection tool. So first we'll create a cylinder and you can scale it up a little bit. And we can make it longer. And then you can go to the vertex mode and select the vertex on the bottom and you can scale down. So you have this shape. Okay, and then in object mode, hold on shift and then right click and we'll go to insert edge loop tool and go to this tool setting and we'll use the relative distance from edge. So this will allow you to create an edge loop from anywhere. Okay, so we'll create one on the top, one close to the bottom. And then we'll switch to the multiple edge loops and you can type a value here. So this will equally divide a section by the number you typed. So we would like to divide the center part with 8 edge loops. So here we go. And then go to the front view and in edge mode select all of the edges in the center. And we'll go to create and set and quick selection set. And you can type a name here. So what quick selection tool does is, now whenever you create a quick selection, basically you saved your selection and then in the future you can just select that saved menu and it will resume the selection. For example, here you go to select and quick selection set, and this is the quick select we have created. As you can see, if I apply, it restores all of the edges that I selected, right? Okay, so now let's select all of the faces in the center. And then go to edit mesh and we'll apply a poke. So the poke tool will connect all the points across the squares. Okay, so we have this tilted line across all of these squares. All right, and then we'll go to select and quick selection set, and then we'll restore the selections, the edges we have selected earlier, and you can just delete. So now we only have this tilted line. And in face selection mode, select all of the faces in the center and we'll extrude all of the faces. And here for keep faces together, we'll turn it off. So remember, in the previous lesson, I've told you, if you keep it off, all of the faces will be separated. And then we just lower down the offset. And then you can delete the extruded faces. So now we have these hollow wireframes, okay? And then in the face selection mode, you can select all of the faces on the top, and then deselect all of the faces on the side, and then you can delete the top faces, okay? And then you can just double click on any face on the trash can, and it will select the whole thing, and then go to edit mesh and extrude, and this time we want to keep faces together, and you can increase the translate Z value, and it will extrude all of the faces and give a thickness to the trash can. And you may also add some details on the top and the bottom. For example, for the bottom, you can add a subdivision here where you can do bevel the edges, so you can have a smoother kind of angle on the bottom. And this is how it looks.